5 burger spots in LA that you need to try. We're in my hometown, Los Angeles, California, and we're about to go eat a bunch of amazing burgers. Our first spot right here in Hollywood, Burger She Wrote. Pro skater Don Nuys and Steve Arroyo put this spot together. They're supposed to be amazing smash burgers, so we're gonna check them out. 100% American Wagyu and Hawaiian buns. It's gotta be good. So they really only have 2 things on the menu when it comes to burgers. They have the Oklahoma and the Smash Burger. And the only difference between the two, the Oklahoma burger has the grilled onions in it. We also got the Wagyu fries. This thing is smothered in secret sauce, grilled onions, and a Wagyu patty. Let's check it out. Oh, that's amazing. The crispiness of that meat, that smash, so nice and thin. There's so much texture here. Look at that crispiness of that meat in there. I gotta love it. Simplicity, high quality ingredients. The Hawaiian bun adds a little bit of sweetness. I think it just all works well together. And now the Oklahoma. You can see all the grilled onions right in here. Grilled onions smashed into the patty. It's perfectly seasoned. It's pepper, it's coming through. Sweetness of the bun again. Man, this thing is fantastic. Wagyu fries, look at this thing. Oh my God. You got banana peppers in there. You got the Wagyu beef patty all in there. Perfectly crispy fries. Yeah. Animal fries, eat your heart out. That's awesome. Next up, Heavy Handed, which started during the pandemic as a driveway pop-up. They got super popular for their special blend of a short rib smash burger. Let's check it out. Short rib smash burger, beef tallow fries. This is the OG way to cook fries, 100% beef fat. It's gonna be awesome. So we got a little bit of a thicker smash burger here. You can still see the crunchy texture on it. They got their special sauce too, pickles. I can't wait. Oh, yeah, oh man. The meat, it's not too thin, so it's not like completely crispy. It's still soft on the outside. You got a little bit of the crisp on the inside. The pickle really works with it. Not a lot of things on the burger, but it's quite amazing. It's perfect. I love the short rib. It's firing on all cylinders. It's no wonder that now these guys have multiple brick and mortar locations. It's done right. Next up, Petit Trois. We've done a bunch of smash burgers already, and now it's time for a brasserie to give us a big, beefy burger. Chef Ludo does it right here. So it's definitely more of an upscale environment, considering we've been to a couple just burger joints so far. This is a full-on French brasserie. We have things like steak tartare, escargot, fresh baguettes, but here we're after the Big Nick. Fancy burgers need fancy drinks. A dirty martini. Cheers. It's a French restaurant. Now this looks incredible. It's got Bordelaise sauce, which is like a red wine reduction sauce with beef stock. They got their special sauce all in there. You know, I love a good thick burger, and I think there should be a movement of bringing the thick burger back. Although a smash burger is good, you know what? I think we can eat all of them. This thing looks phenomenal. You might need a fork and knife this one, but I'm gonna dig right in. Oh no, wow. That is incredible. The sauce, it's so flavorful. You can almost get those hints of wine in there, beef flavor punching through. I love a big, thick burger, and this thing is a double. It's called the Big Mac. Should have given it a different name though. It has no relation to McDonald's. McDonald's is trash. This is fire. We're going again. Oh. So maybe doing 5 burger spots in one day was a little ambitious. I'm getting really full, but let's go to the next one. And if you're liking this content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and smash that like button. It really helps. Next up, for the win. What started off as a pivot from a French restaurant, Chef Santos Uy, I think it's Uy, started this smash burger spot, and they quickly became a staple out here, and they do smash burgers and fried chicken sandwiches. Let's check it out. Have fried chicken sandwiches too, or no?
No chicken, just
Oh, not.
Only beef.
Oh, at other locations?
In all locations.
Bruh.
I thought.
For salad, LA, just maybe.
Oh, no more. So apparently it's no more chicken sandwiches, just burgers. That's gonna be okay. Now that's a big burger. Similar to the others, this one has a huge patty, not as much of a crust, slathered in sauce, pickles, and a nice soft bread on the top,
What?
or bun on the top. Here we go. Wow, the meat is super soft on the inside. The bread is super soft. It's still hot, it's piping hot. The pickles, everything works together. This thing is dripping, very flavorful. We did do several smash burgers. These are some of the best in LA. It's no wonder they have several brick and mortars themselves now. All these burger spots are popping off. They even have their own branded beer, and I can get behind that. The fry test, solid. And lastly, we're here at Bill's Burgers. He opened this place in 1964. He's 92 years old, and he still comes in to flip burgers. We're talking about a classic burger here. It's a little shack, but it's gonna be awesome. And while we wait, I just wanna thank all you guys for all the comments in the last videos. It really helps when you comment, drop a like, and everything you guys do. So we got more of a classic burger here. Not a smash burger, not a thick burger. More of your standard lettuce, pickles, tomatoes, perfectly sized patties. But I'm pumped to try this. Let's go. We had to wait about 30 minutes to get this burger. People were rolling in, getting 5, 6 burgers at a time. You can see why. Classic flavors, perfectly cooked. They have a 100-year-old griddle that you can actually see that it's so classic. The knobs are different. You get that flavor coming through on that. That's a fantastic burger. Oh, that was awesome. Let me know in the comments below what I should do next. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps. Oh.